Let's start the class. Today I will explain about activity 2. Now start the question. The focal length of a convex lens is increased when it is kept in water. This is question. Okay. The focal length f of a convex lens is increased. Focal length of the lens was increased in water. Okay, for example, focal length 20 centimeter is there. Okay, here focal length of the convex lens in water 22 centimeter increases. Okay, for example, focal length 2 centimeters, 20 centimeters. In water, 22 centimeters increased. This is question. Take a glass tumbler. This is glass tumbler. See, observe this diagram. What is this? This is glass tumbler. After that, with water. This is glass tumbler with water. Okay, next after that, take a convex lens. This is lens, double convex lens. This is a double convex lens. Okay, this is convex lens, focal length 20 centimeters. This focal length, how much centimeters? 20 centimeters. Okay, this question, the focal length of the convex lens is increased in water. Okay, focal length 20 centimeters. I am taken convex lens, focal length 20 centimeters. After that, in water, this focal length increases. See, observe. Okay, this is glass tumbler with water. After that, take a black stone. Inside the glass tumbler bottom. Inside the glass tumbler bottom. Keep a black stone inside the glass tumbler its bottom. This is black stone. This is what? Black stone. Next one, take a convex lens using a circular lens. Okay, this is convex lens using circular lens. This is convex lens. Here lens, right? Lens. This is circular lens. This is lens, convex lens. Here circular convex lens. This is black stone. After that, now pour water into the glass tumbler. Up to height of the water level. From the top of the stone is greater than focal length of the lens. Okay, see this one. The stone is greater than focal length of the lens. Okay, observe ear to ear, top of the position. Now the lens, dip the lens, dip the lens horizontally using the circular lens, circular lens. After that, set the distance, set the distance between stone and lens. Let the distance, for example, ear to ear, ear to ear 5 centimeters, maximum 5 centimeter. Lens to stone, set the distance between stone and lens 5 centimeters, that is equal to or less than focal length of the lens. Okay, here focal length 20 centimeters, here distance 5 centimeters, less than, okay, 20 less than 5. You observe them. Now look at the stone through the lens. Okay, see, observe here, see the stone. Now look the stone through the lens. You can see the image of the stone. The distance between lens and stone is less than the focal length of the lens. Okay, here. Now you can see the image of the stone, the distance between lens and stone less than the focal length of the lens. What is meant by focal length? The distance between focus and optic center, that is called focal length. Okay, after that, now increases the stone between lens and stone until you cannot see the image of the stone. Okay, this is stone, black stone, cannot see. Okay, lens also increases. First, maximum distance 5 centimeters. Now after that, move the convex lens 6 centimeters. 6 centimeter. Cannot see the image. This stone cannot see the image. After that, 7 centimeters. Okay, this is stone, cannot see the image of the stone. Next to 8 centimeters. Next to 9 centimeters. Okay, 10. I increases 10, 15, 16, 17, up to 20. Okay, up to 20. Cannot see the image. After that, 22 centimeters. After that, 22 centimeters. Okay, this focal length 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters. Okay, you have dipped the lens to certain height. How much length? 22 centimeters. The focal length of the lens in air, but you can see the image. Okay, the focal length of the lens 22 centimeters. Can see the image, clear image. The stone, clear image. This is so that the focal length of the lens was increases in water. This is activity 2. Okay, question. The focal length of the convex lens is increases with water. Okay, the focal length increases. Okay, F equal to 20 centimeters. Already told, double convex lens, F is equal to 20 centimeters. After that, the focal length maximum 22 centimeters. Okay, increased in water. This is activity 2. Activity 2 completed.